Hi, I just want to do a little walkthrough of the Organiser book that's going to be our next class in the Facebook Paper Scissors Story group. This is a free class, so you're very welcome to work along with me whilst we put the book together. However, there are going to be kits available, and it's going to be a bit of a menu kit, so you can choose just to have the papers, you can choose to have the charm, all sorts of different bits and pieces, and that'll be going up as soon as possible. But I just want to walk you through the book itself. So the book is quite large. Let me just grab my ruler. It is 7 by 8.5 inches, and it has got a 3-inch spine, which will become apparent why in a minute. But on the front, I've made a little shaker pocket that I think you can see there, using this absolutely amazing paper line from Graphic 45, which was in the last release. It's called Fashion Forward, and it is perfect for this book because it's actually calendar papers. And this is actually this little shaker thing is made from the ephemera pack, which is part of the kit. Just a few flowers and things. You don't have to put flowers on. I don't know whether I'm going to have those as part of the kit, because quite frankly it's just covering up a bit that I didn't like. So there you go. Now the book itself is using hidden hinge binding, but I do want to just show you this absolutely amazing charm here that's been made by Mel at Safi Mel. Fits in with the Art Deco absolutely perfectly, and I'll be taking some good photos of this later for you to see more clearly. Now, this bit at the front, this is a pocket for us to actually put our bits and pieces in. So if you open it up, you'll see here, just for an example, I've just done a shopping list page, which just goes into the pocket there. And as we go through the book, you'll see other bits and pieces that I've done. That's just sort of like a holding page, and I've just used a little clip just to keep that together. So we're going to open up the book now. Now, the inside covers are absolutely flat because this is so jam-packed full of bits that we haven't really got room to do lots of fancy pockets and stuff. And with the one on the front, I thought that was a bit pointless. But here, each page is a month. So I've designed these little slip-in bits that you can put in. So there's birthday lists, there's a shopping list. Here I've just used the papers just to their full, because they are absolutely stunning papers. And then you open up this flap here, and you can see that actually there's a 3-part stacked pocket here. And I've put in an address list and a to-do list. There's all sorts of bits that I've designed. But this is three stacked pockets here. There's a bit here. I've used corners so that I can replace my calendar every year. So it is very much about a perpetual use, not just for 2020. So that is the January side. You turn it over, and you've got February and March. Here you can see each page is done exactly the same with the flaps, the birthday lists, and you open them up and you've got the stacked pockets again there. However, this is where the book gets interesting. These bits, your monthly bits, actually pull out. And these form little books on their own, because in the middle here is a space where you can write things down. You can put little receipts and things that you need to keep together for the month, you know, so that everything's actually kept tidy in. And then we're just going to slip it back into the page there. And each page is exactly the same. So you can see that we've got January, February, March, April, May and June, July, August and September, October, November and December. Okay, so that is the Organiser book. You can use this in so many different ways. I would say that you could make it as a Christmas planner book. You could make it perhaps as a wedding planner book. Thanks to Kerry Gibson for that idea. All sorts of different ways of using the book. So we will be starting this in January. I'll be putting some more information up on the group in the next day or so, and also we'll be in the shop, which is scraplab.co.uk, and I will speak to you all really soon. Thanks a lot for listening. Bye bye.